Hello, Apohan Corporate Consultants Private Limited is a startup into equity funding for Indian MSMEs, which is into making of a disruptive, cost-effective, scalable, first in the world emerging technology-enabled platform. We are providing all the services that go into equity funding for the capital starved SMBs. These include the corporate management services, strategic financial services, business strategy of the SMBs. These services are rarely available to the SMBs and they are privilege of only large companies. There is a very large pent-up demand of around zero point 0.6 trillion US dollars of funding in the Indian MSMEs, and correspondingly there is equal market for the strategic advisory services for equity funding. The fundamental reasons for why the equity funding is not happening can be attributed to some extent to the business culture, to the regulatory gaps, to the market gaps, and to some other extent to the lack of awareness of the businesses and the apathy of the investors in understanding SMBs. But the fundamental gap is absence of a consulting infrastructure in the country to carry out the entire equity funding process. We can see that even from the perspective of an investor, a well-screened SMB is a much better investment option on several accounts than a large or mega cap company. One of the reasons why equity funding is very rare or nearly absent in the SMB space is because the equity funding process is very complex and lengthy. Another reason why equity funding is not happening in SMB is because either in the physical world models or on the online platforms, the various stakeholders and aspects chosen for arriving at appropriate business models are wrong. One has to choose the right source of investors, right instruments, right transactions, and right purposes. Apohan wants to carry out the equity transactions at unimaginable scales of 100 deals per day, whereas the current rate of transactions by the other companies is only 20 deals per annum on an average. The platform is going to use all the emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, identification technologies, India Stack, and big data and cloud to collect the information, analyze it, and disseminate it to the users efficiently. We can see that there are a lot many. There are 2,000 fintech companies in India, mostly copied versions from the West. Equity Tech is Apohan's unique concept indigenously. We can see that for the purpose of SMBs, there are several companies or firms that advise them for the compliance purpose, but they are with custom services for closure of equity transactions when the loan funding is impossible for them. The revenue potential company is pretty high looking at the milestone based fees and the success fees, which is ranging from 2 to 9% for a transaction size between 25 crore to 250 crore. Apohan's team consists of very large companies. He's aided by his colleague Shailesh Wagmare, who has 15 years of experience in selling financial services to the company has and evolved a foolproof structure of the business model. It has planned to close 5 deals this year and evolve onboard a CTO and complete the minimum viable product or the pilot project this year.